How to remove vocals from any song and video. Let's say you've got some super cool audio that you want to use for social media, but you want to remove either the vocals or the background music. Just like this.
Anni 80, bambini spensierati. Anni 80, bambini spensierati.
It's all done with AI. Super easy, super accurate, one-click batch separating. So are you ready? Let's see how to do this. First, download and install VideoProc Converter AI to your computer. It can batch separate vocals and instruments from audio and even video files. Open it. Go to Audio AI. Drag and drop all your files. Choose to keep vocals or keep instruments. Click Preview to listen to the results. So here's just the vocals.
Once upon a time there was a fairy. I met her near the forest at dawn.
And let's turn on the instruments. If needed, you can also enable noise suppression to reduce background noise, or use volume control to adjust audio loudness. Finally, adjust the export settings. Click Run to start the isolation. And there you have it. Now you've got the vocals and the music split out separately. Download VideoProc Converter AI and try it by yourself. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next video.